When we think of artists that
Are you trying for another segue here?
and I can think of only one.
Go on. Go on. How
That
bad
was
is
the
it?
segue.
I see. I see.
Aha!
Indeed.
The
So,
song's called Only One. That was the joke. That was the joke here, folks. Tell me about
yeah.
this. I've never heard this artist or this song before ever.
John Dhali is a local musician to me, and he's the most phenomenal person. So go and check out the music video to this song, and I swear you will not stop grinning the whole way through it. If I'm ever in a rubbish mood, I'll put this video on, and I'm like, oh, great. So he's just such a feel good. He knows how to write feel good tunes, and he just absolutely smashes them every time. And this song, he goes into, I don't know if it's Piccadilly Station or something like that, with his headphones on and just starts dancing like really freely, and it's so enjoyable to watch, and it's just an amazing song, so enjoy it.
I think, just because what you said there, I think we'll actually need to watch the video here.